So I've popped into Wingstop. Super busy in there. All the seats look taken, but I'm outside in the shopping mall. So what flavours did I get? Let's see. Oh my god, they put gloves. So yeah, they actually give you gloves if you want to use gloves. Some people want gloves and some people don't. I've got blue cheese now. This is sort of my first time trying it, but not. Like, it's sort of my second time. Like, it's my first time properly. So somebody brought one to my house a while ago. They got the takeaway. And yeah, they got a bit of a takeaway. I tried some of that, but it was a little bit cold because I were on the train for half an hour. And I've just got it fresh. Let's pop it open. Just been sipping on the milkshake too. Now, I don't know how mixed it is, but I got chocolate. Now, it is nice. I feel like it should have for me, I prefer it a little bit more chocolatey. But that's because I'm a proper chocolatey person. But yeah, so the milkshake is nice. It's got a little bit of a powderiness to the milkshake. After texture, which I'm not a fan of, but overall it's still got a nice. So what did I get? I got like the mango carbonara, whatever it's called, and the lemon, whatever the lemon one's called, ranch and blue cheese. So let's give those a taste. Nice. Looks like a mini whole chicken. Look at that. Blue cheese. So the mango one is very nice. It's like sweet and spicy, but not too spicy. But the spice is there. And the lemon one is nice. It's got a nice sort of tangy flavour. And yeah, they're both nice. And both the ranch and the blue cheese dip is very good. I like both of them a lot. Plus, the chicken was nice and hot. But this, all of this, so 8 pieces of chicken, the milkshake, and both the sauces came to like nearly 15 pounds. The milkshake was a fiver. So yeah, that was £5. But yeah, it does taste nice. It tastes fresh. And yeah, I like it. See you later.